Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week.
So we have very little ingredients here, but the key thing to make this smoothie is that you have to have coffee, cold brew coffee made from before, and you have to freeze them into ice cubes, such as what I have here, and I have some of this here. So any type of ice cubes you have, some people I know have like heart molds or whatever is to your liking and to your fitting, but you definitely want to have some cold brew ice cubes. So take your cold brew and just put it in here in your blender. Okay. And I also have some cubes here as well. Okay. So we are putting this deliciousness in here. So I have 1 cup of chocolate protein powder. Chocolate and coffee, we all know that tastes yummy together. And the last thing, a capful of vanilla, pure vanilla extract, just a capful. We are going to blend this up.
And here are a list of ingredients. Here's our vitamin content.
So here is our coffee smoothie with a little hint for garnish of cinnamon with all the added benefits of cinnamon. Let's do this. Cheers, let's taste it. Whoa, that's nice. That's real nice. It is just your frozen, delectable cafe au lait. Like it tastes like a creamy milk and coffee, like cafe au lait. And a nice touch of cinnamon. You do taste it. It's not just a garnish, but you do taste it. It's a really nice touch. And you don't even know protein powder sometimes has like a little weird taste to it. And it's chocolate protein powder, which is usually like on a little bit of the bitter side. Don't taste any of it, I guess, thanks to the condensed milk. What do you think?
It tastes just like a coffee milkshake, to be honest. Sweet, but not too sweet. Very tasty, too.
I'm with what he said. So thank you guys. If you ever have made like a coffee smoothie before, comment below and let me know. And if you haven't, definitely try this and let us know. Comment below how it worked out and how it turned out for you. We enjoy spending time with you. Come back and hang out with us again in our next video. Love you guys.
Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.